Hi there guys and dolls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm kind of hungry. Come on, be the first one to, please be the first one to bite. Oh my gosh, the hot dog came out. Sorry, hold on. There will be no thrill if the hot dog is not inside. Oh gosh, I'm trembling, sorry guys. Hold on. I'm panicking. No, not actually. Gosh, the hot dog. So hungry. Really. It's so good. Open your mouth, don't be shy. Hold on. First thing first, thank you Lord for the blessings that you gave for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo. And still clean. Sorry. That's one of the other spoon. Fork. Sip it. To all my silent subscribers out there, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to every one of you. To my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, Monet Pacheco, Bong Araw, and Helen Careto. Hi. Hold on. I'll just... Okay. Some kind of thinking. And who else? Of course, to all my 13 lovely countries. Philippines on an, oh my gosh, on the number 1 spot. US for the 2nd spot. On the 3rd, Japan. Followed by Indonesia on the 4th, 5th, Canada. 6th, Myanmar. 7th, Malaysia. 8th, India, United Kingdom on the 9th. You know what guys and girls, they switched the position. United Kingdom yesterday was on the 8th, now they are on the 9th spot. And on the 10th, Saudi Arabia. 11, United Arab Emirates. 12, Italy. And 13, Thailand. Guys, thank you so much to every one of you. Okay, let's continue. I'm thinking of a vlog that I should give to you for tonight. But hi. I have lots. You know what? Sorry to say, but I know from the start that Chelsea Manalo wouldn't make it to the top 10 or top 5 or any chance to get the crown. That's based on my fearless forecast, because from the start that I've seen her on the news that she won for the title of Binibining Pilipinas Universe or Miss Philippines Universe, whatever it is, that she will not make it. Well, I'm a critic and I have this guts and feel that she will make it. But I have nothing against with Chelsea Manalo. She's pretty. But she doesn't have this kind of aura. For me, she doesn't have the X factor, the flame, the, how do you call the thing? The intensity, the impact for her to get the crown compared to guys, compared to few awards back and this one, Catriona Gray. I know from the start that they, when they won the Binibini Pilipinas Universe, I know deep inside on myself that they will get the crown, because both of them has this kind of aura, which like a bitchy one and a good girl thing, compared to Chelsea, that she's only like this kind of a nice girl. She doesn't have this kind of diva thing, the diva aura, the diva attitude. For me, for you to get a crown, based on my opinion, based on my thinking and based on my analysis, that for you to be a beauty queen, you should be like a good damn bitch, and at the same time you can be this kind of a like a Cinderella type, or what I'm trying to say is a good one. And then when I see her gown on the platform, that the color of her gown is some kind of a simple, and the kind of blue is not that kind of spectacular, not that kind of some kind of amazing or sparkling in the eyes. It's some kind of a plain, guys and guys. It's just like a curtain in the walls, or curtain on inside on your house. And then when she turned around, she's just like, she doesn't have this kind of effort. She doesn't have this kind of magic when she turns around during the evening gown competition. Please correct me if I'm wrong. The one that she's wearing, the plain blue, some kind of a plain blue, and then she's just like a girl turning plain. I mean, she's just like a girl turning so plain, so simple. So that's why she didn't make it. And also one thing, she is just like an obedient girl, that when somebody or any people surrounds her that don't do this, do that, she just follow orders. For me, on my psychology thinking, what's that? On sorry. sorry. If I psych her, she's just like being an obedient girl. Meaning, she doesn't have a own principle in life, or any decision to make on herself. Well guys, I can concentrate. That would be all for now. But once again, I have nothing against with Delcia, and I still congratulate her. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Do you still want? Love it? Love it. Bye.